Four Lads is a Dream is proud to be sponsored by CBD Oil Scotland, who sell a range of oils and gummies designed to help you with anxiety, sleep, depression, your moods, things like fibromyalgia, things like Crohn's disease. This is all medically proven to help you manage pain, manage your moods, manage anxiety, everything. And we're delighted to team up with them and offer you a 30% discount. If you go on CBD Oil Scotland website and any order you have, type in the code 4lads for a 30% discount. You can get things like the gummies and the oils, which will help you with everything you need. And what's more is, if you enter right now and use that 4lads code, you will go into a massive draw for hospitality for the upcoming Rangers West Ham game, which is going to be Denton McInnes's first game at Ibrox Stadium. Any purchases, you'll go straight into that draw and you'll be part of that. So welcome to CBD Oil Scotland. Get onto their website, check out the 30% discount. Anything you buy, from the oils to the gummies, you will get a fantastic discount. So check them out soon, CBD Oil Scotland, or come into the store here in Thorley Bank Industrial Estate, Bits and Bongs. If you come in here, use the 30% discount. Gently tell Callum or one of the staff behind the counter, 30% off, thanks to CBD Oil Scotland. Enjoy the show. We'll see you soon.